Hi. Did good. 32,665. What the hell? Ow. Michelle and her mommy. I mean, Sabrina and her mommy.
God.
That's Michelle and that's Sabrina. In case you were wondering, that's a stove. That's a little thing that goes on the stove. Let's go out. There's a kitty! Ah, ew, what is that? Hi, kitty. This is a nice kitty. It's okay. Or, now it's gonna itch itself. It's okay. Hi, kitty. Coming!
She ate your cookies.
I love you.
I didn't eat them. She ate them.
She ate them.
I was sitting there.
That is the end of the Haters Hour. Oh, there's Alicia. There's a plant. Oh, there's the marshmallows. God damn it, where's that marshmallow shooter?
Right there.
Where?
Right there. I hit it.
Oh, wonderful, hon. Someone take this camera. Okay.
This is like a miracle worker thing.
It's gonna lose battery in like 5 seconds.
No,
Put it in there.
I'm going.
And take the marshmallow and put it in that hole.
And then you blow on the hole, right?
And you blow on that hole.
This hole?
Yeah, you hang on here with one hand and that with the other, and then you blow, and then that didn't work really,
Hold on,
but
I can do this.
it goes faster. You go.
How does it get down there?
Pressure. Just do it.
Pressure.
What the? Oh my God! It's snowing. Is it snowing? Holy crow! There's a big woodpecker. She just died. There's a big ass woodpecker. I flew away. Thank you.